You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very, very confusing word. This is a plant name from science. In English, this is pronounced as Pteridophytes. Yes, the P is silent. You've heard this correctly, so do not say pte or pte. Pteridophytes. The stress is on the second syllable, the re syllable. Pteridophytes. It's easy. Once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.